without attempting to respond to what was published in some newspapers about the Senate not working on concurrent bills of the House of Representatives. Let me say for the record that we have been doing what we are supposed to do, and that only last week this Senate concurred to 6 bills from the House of Representatives. And yes, while we have the principle of chamber reciprocity, Mr. President, the principle of chamber reciprocity does not necessarily mean for us garbage in, garbage out. We will continue to consider concurrence bills sent from the House of Representatives the same way they also consider our own, and we will ensure that every bill is given attention in overriding public interest. I just wanted to say this. We are attending to those concurrence bills and will continue to do what we are supposed to do. And having said that, Mr. President, let me say the third business of the day.
Leader of the Senate, before you go, you know, last week we attended to about 6 of those bills, but at least I know we are going to do 2 today, and we'll continue to do so. So please let our brothers in the House of Representatives know that we cannot joke with anything that comes from there. It takes 2 hands to clap, and we'll continue to work together. So proceed.
Mr. President, very distinguished